So, good morning, friends. Welcome back to our new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the creation of, about us page and services page. How to create the about us page. I will clearly explain you once again, and we will go through the creation of all the elements which are present on the available about us page, and it is your turn to create the services page. Okay. So you must have to do this one. Services page is having little bit thing only. I hope you can do it. So before going to know creation of this about us page, let me tell you something regarding the importance of service about us page. This page is very important, friends, because after the learning of your complete after the completion of your about this WordPress course, you need a projects to do, right? So whenever you apply for doing a project, the the client will ask you about share your about us page, share your portfolio. So in that portfolio, what is the portfolio? The portfolio is something which reflects the experiences, skills, and knowledge whatever you have gained in your life. So our about us page will reflect the complete experiences, our skill, our what can I say, professionalism, everything. Okay, whatever we have learned, we must have to keep it on our about us page. By seeing the about us page only, a person can be able to decide whether he is ready to give his project to this person or not. Whether I should be uh, is it better for me to go with this person to complete my project or not? That will be decided by seeing your about us page only. So about us page is very important. So whenever we open any website, so in order to know the details of the person or the company or the organization or the business, when it was started, okay, and what are the functionalities, what are the experiences, what are the team members, right, and how they have, what are the achievements of those company or business, or anything, all those things can be shown or displayed on the about us page. So this is a portfolio. This is also called as a portfolio page. So we need to make as much as pretty good, uh, our about us page. So how to do that one? So we will discuss right now. Okay, let's get started. So friends, mm, I will share my screen. I will share my screen. Hello. So DG stands right, and then right. So this is the about us page, friends. This is the overview of the about us page. So I will give you the link of this one. I will share this one with you. So try to create as it is. Okay, about us page, and then I will also will okay. Now I will about us and services page. Okay, this is the services page. This is one of the good model of the website or agency website, friends. Okay, so slash about you. Are you seeing here? Slash services like that. We too have to set our permalink. Okay. Now coming to the about us page. What we have here about services, projects, blog. See, in this one, actually they have our agency, our services, pricing packages, all these are the sub pages they have. Our clients, testimonials, free, resources, case studies, everything they have kept, right? All the team, everything, all these, and each and every part they have made it as a separate page, and they have given as a link as a no above no sub pages. When I keep my cursor here, see it expresses agency and experiences, and under the agency, I have three pages, sub pages. They are not the sub pages, just they have given the links of this about our client. See where you will find, see our client. So these page URL they have given and given as a page, and have given the link to the about us page. That's why it is looking up there. Okay. Very simply, they have created this one. Okay. So about us page is very simple, and we need to create this one. Okay. So let's jump into our pages session. Okay. What is our page? Till now, what we have created? See home, about us, services, contact us. Okay. So these are the pages we have primarily. So friends, remember when I am opening my website, as with my user ID and password, I can be able to see these little bit black barcode is there, little bit header is there, right? Which is looking over here. Are you able to see this one? So which is it is representing one thing. I can go to the Elementor page from directly this one. I can edit this page by going to the Elementor directly from here. Okay. So when I will open, so if I take the About Us page, you may not find the Elementor. You may not find the Elementor here because I haven't opened the Elementor initially, and I hadn't worked anything on the Elementor. So that's why it is not showing some Elementor here. Okay. Did you got the clearance here? Edit with Elementor. By using the Elementor, I have worked on the home page only. See, we have created the home page, right? And we hadn't created the About Us page, and we hadn't worked on the services page, and we hadn't also worked on the contact us page. So on these three pages, you won't find this edit with Elementor. Okay, and as a admin, you only will see these ones. Okay, even though you have created something by using the Elementor, these it will be visible to you only. For a new fresher, yeah, the third person, whenever who opens this URL, he may not find this Elementor. Okay, I hope you got this one clarity. Now coming to the about us pages. See here, I have I have worked with the Elementor. That's why here edit with Elementor option is showing up here. But when you choose the about us page, will you find here? Will you find here the edit with Elementor option? No, because we hadn't worked it here. So now we are going to edit the about us page now. So before going to that one, friends, we need to uh, do some settings on the about us page, other pages. Okay. I hope when we have installed this one, some settings I have shown here. We need to feature image, all other images we have to disable. I said, okay. I told you breadcrumb, feature image, sidebar, all these things we have to hide. So here under the featured image section, so it is disabled, already disabled. Okay. If it is not disabled, then we have to disable the other options over here. Okay. Now go to the Elementor, edit with Elementor page. Now we are jumping into the Elementor page builder. We are going to edit the about us page right now. Okay. The page edit with Elementor we have opened. About us page has now started. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to see the page, how the main inner page, how the page looks here. This is the about us page. So here what are the things we have? So whenever we open any page, we must have to analyze. We should have to understand the structure of the page. So after knowing the structure, we can be able to create the page. Then we have to go for the editing part. So here what we have, two columns are there. One complete, one section is there. Under that section, two columns are there. In those two columns, right column is having one image. So first I will save that image. Okay. First I will save that image. Where that image? Desktop. Okay. In this folder, I am saving this one, illustration ideas letter. Okay. Now I have saved this image, and then at the left side of this page, we have what, a text and a editor. This is a headline and this is the text, right? So let we have to do. So what we have to take? We have to take a section. Under that, we have to take two columns, right? So I am taking a section, and then I am taking two columns over there. In that section only, it is not having the option. Okay, initially it is asking to take separate two session. So in that case, we will select this one directly. Okay. Now one section has came. Under that section, oh, inner section is also there, friends. Okay. Under the setting, under the one complete session, when I selected two columns, automatically that has those two columns have been came under the one section, right? Did you got this one? So in this one, we have to take an image, right? And here we have to take the text, something like that. Like let me do the later that one. So I am choosing a image. Select the files, and now we have to go to the web designing pages, web designing images, website images folder we have created, right? So what is the folder that one? Just we have created illustration idea setup. This is the page, right? So this is the image. So now I have selected this one. So it has came right over here, right? And here what we have, here we have a text. One text is there. Copy this text. Sometimes when I copy something from a web page, HTML code, a script also will become, and I am unable to paste it over there. So in such cases, we need to go to the text editor, and then we have to edit that on the text editor. So here, friends, what we have to take, go to the elementor header we need, right? Under this header, we have to paste the heading, right? And that too, we have to make it is the what how it is looking. So side view only, a full service digital marketing agency. Okay. So I will make this one. No, it is not suitable. Okay, it is suitable. And what we have here, what is the color here? We have, okay, this is a white color. So then I will choose I will go to the style. Under the style, we will be having the color option, right? So this is the default color. So background is not set. That's why it is disappeared. So what we have to do first, we will select the background. For this complete session, we will give a background, right? So what is the background here? We have, so go to this color picker and keep it there, keep here. So pick up the color here. Okay, the color picker has copy the color, copy this color and paste it over here. So under this style one, go to the style one, go to the background color, give the color code here. Okay, color picker will give you a, wait. Okay, is it now? Now we got a color, right? And the background color has been added right now. What is the next step? Come up here. Here So we need to close this one first. We need to close this one. Just close this one. Next one, two things are over. Next, we have a text editor, right? So copy this text here and come up here, add a text editor here. Okay. Okay. And then we need to give the text here. Sometimes, friends, when you are going to copy and paste it over here, in some versions of Elementor, you may find some, coding like that. So in such cases, you can go to the text editor and you can give the text. Okay. As of now, we do not have. Okay, no problem. You come up here, give the text as it is. No problem. You may not find any problem there. Okay. So I hope it is clear right now. Okay, now it is changed. Okay. So here no any coding is there. So no coding is there in this Elementor Pro version. So we have to copy it here only. Okay. So here text is not functioning. So update now. So what is the color we have here? This is also a white color. Do you want to see the color code again? So come up here and paste the wherever. See, this is the color, right? So select the color here. Propol FA, that is the code here, right? Copy that one and make it over there. Go to the editor session, go to the section, size style and typography. Under the text editor, go to the text and give the color code there. Or paste the color code. Now you have something. What is the color code here actually? Here it is a white color, right? That means it is not properly copied. It is FFB. Copy this one and we need to give the text color. Okay, hash is not added because of that one. It is looking like that. So individually hash we do not have here option. I am unable to see at my computer hash option. Oh, okay, okay, I got it. Hash. Hmm. Okay, friends. As it is, we will try to copy the color code. No problem. So with the hash, we can also take the color code. This one, make it over there. It will give the color code here, right? We can also, okay, actually it is normally white only. No need to get 10. Just give the color white. Okay, next one, what we have here, we need to take the, here, how much it is, what is the weight? 600 is the weight, right? 600, 600 is the weight. Size is the 65, 600, 65. Line height, 70, 665, like that. You have to give the color, size. Go to the typography. Size is how much? 65. So manually give the 65. Okay. And then this is 600, right? A full service digital marketing agency. A full service digital marketing agency. And our team develops effective content. So what is the weight 300, size 24? Weight 300, size 24. Go to the typography again. Weight is 300, size is 24, right? So size also we have given. Now what we have to do here? See here, one thing I will tell you. This is not in the full width. How? some gap. Okay. Is it okay now? Okay. Now, again, open the editor. What we have, the next thing is here, page divider has been applied here, right? Page divider is also applied there. So we have to go to this section. Okay. Under this one, we have to go to the style. At the bottom, we will be having the shape divider. At the bottom side, we have to add the page divider, right? So wave pattern, waves, curve shape only, right? So we can add this one, or curve split, curve asymmetric is also there. What is the style here? So this one reverse to that one. So in order to make that one, color, type, height, we can make the height, how much height we want, we can make the height as well. Okay, up to how much height, what is the width, okay, what should be the width also. Okay, we can also make the changes to this one also. Okay, if you take this one, if you increase the width, it will look like this. Okay, so how it is looking here, it is in the reverse mode, right? So flip, we can also flip. Oh, page we can flip. Invert. First we go to the select with height. What is the height here? Is it? Is it okay now? Is it flipped or not, friends? Right? If I on the flip, invert. See, this is the invert. You can make the invert as well. And here to the right side, it is going to up. So we have to make that one. So flip, okay, and then invert. What is the height here? No height. Okay, like this only, and height like this. We have to do this one up to some height, some width, not width here, and here height is increased to up to here like this. No. Okay, like this, and then that means here these section, these images have been what moved to down somewhat. That's why it is appearing like this. So as it is, whatever how bring to front. If you want to bring to front, you can also bring anything you want to bring to front. You can make it as it is. Okay. So I hope you got the clarity right now. Okay, friends, is it looking good or not? Now it is also over. What is the next one? We have a text, right? We have a text. So make it fast. So I will take a text here, text editor. Only we have a session here, and then we have to take a text editor here, and then we have to give the what is here. It should be aligned to the center first. Initially, it should be aligned to the center, right? This text, and give the text over there, paste it there, and what is the text here? Centrally aligned here. Okay, now it is over. And what is see here? Some gap is there. So give some gap it here. Go to the margins. Okay, we have to give the margin, right? Top margin, only top margin. Then we have to unselect. Okay, over. And then what we have? We have to give the color picker. We have to take the color picker. What is the color here? Color is this one. So copy this code here. Copy and then go here. Go to style. Go to the typography. Go to the typography. So first select this one, and then you will be finding the typography option there. Okay, then you have to paste it over there. Okay, now the text has been pasted over there with the exact color what we need. And next, what is the size here? Oh, weight is 400, size is 30. So go to the typography again, content, style, typography. Weight it 400 only. Size is 30. 30. I hope size is 30 only here. Okay. And what is the text here? Roboto. Roboto only. Text type is Roboto only. Line height is 42 pixel. Line height, if you want to give, you can give the line height 42 pixel. Okay. It is set or not? Exactly. It is now matching, right? Now it is also over. Next one, we have two separate columns, right? So for that one, come up here and take two separate columns there. In that one, again, we have a text here, text editor, two text editors we have here. And then here also, what is the text here? So this is the text there. Copy this one. First, you close this one. In order to close this one, you just keep it there. Automatically, that will be closed there. So paste the text there. And then again, we have a text, right? So make sure that text only will be selected. Copy this one and then go to the text editor. You can also make sure, so you can duplicate this one as well, right? We can duplicate as well. And we can move this here. And then we can edit this one. Paste it over there. Okay. Now what we have here. So what is the size, etc. we need to know. So make it, just keep it there. Color is this one. Copy this one. Weight that 300, size 20. First one, go to the style, do the color there, paste it there, just paste it there. Now typography, weight is 300, size is 30, right? Size is 30. Okay. Next one. Next one is now it is updated right now. And here also we have to do the same. So what is the weight here? When I keep it here, weight is 300, size is 20, color is here same color. This one is also same. 300, 20, 30, this one. Same color code I need to give. Copy this one again. Go to typography. Weight 300, size 20, Roboto, line height 30 pixel. Here, how much style we have given? Much size we have given? 20 we have to give. Yeah. Now it is good. Next one. We have how many? In one session, we have 6 columns, right? And under that one, we have a icon and numbering, right? So we have to keep it as it is. Icons are there, different kinds of icons are there, and numbers are also there, and text is also there. So come up here, take a section of 6 columns, which is having 6 columns. Okay. So how many columns are here? 4 columns. So duplicate again. Now 5. Again duplicate. Now we have a 6 column. Okay. So here we have inner section. We have a section under that one. We got a 6 section, 6 columns, right? Now what we have to do? we have to take we have to take a icon and a number and text, right? So take an icon. So in order to take the icon, we have an icon section is there. So icon, okay. So icon section is there. Under the icon, what kind of icon we want? This is a clock icon, right? So here, friends, these are the when you go to the icon library, how to go to the icon library? See here, just go back. This is the icon library. Just you paste there. Here you will be having the icon, right? So you know, clock, 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 right? So you got it one and insert this one. The clock has been inserted right now. So actually it is coming right here. So make it there. It will go back. Okay. Next one, we have a text, right? So in order to give the text, go back here, give a text there, and then what is the text there? Sorry, we have a number, right? Number. We have a number. So first we need to take the number. Counter, counter. We can give the counter number as well, friends. Okay, like that. Have you seen when we are opening any landing pages of some businesses? How many number of projects still now you have completed? 100. So 100 should start from 1 and ending number is 100. Like that you can edit. Okay, did you got it? So here 12 number is there. Only 12. So years in marketing. Counting number. Cool number. So title we should not have to give the okay. What is the here? Years in marketing. You just make it as full number. Years in marketing. In years in marketing. Not 100 years. No? Just now started. Then 12 years is there. So it should have to start from 1 and have to end at the 12, right? Now see here. 12 years. Okay. Now better to give it as a capital number. Capital letters. Okay. Years in marketing. So how does it look? It should look like this, right? That means these three things are over here. This text has been taken as an extra thing. So remove this one. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to give the background to this one. So select this session and we need to give a background, right? So background means color related. We have to go into give the color. So select the color. What is the color over here? So pick the color there. What is the color here? This is the color, right? So it should have to look, right? Not looking. So color not. Okay. So better way to make this color here. So this is the color picker. Okay. That's it. That is the ID there. So in order to make it run, just hash paste it there. Okay. Color has been now added. Next one, these corners are curved, right? Corners are should has to be curved. So for that one, we have to go to the padding. No, padding, not padding. We have to go to the style, and then we have to go to the border radius. We have to give border radius. How much we have to give the border radius? This much. So border radius should be this much. Is it good? Is it looking good or not? So if you wants to increase or decrease, you can decrease. 20. Let me take 20. Is it now looking good or not? So what is the color of the icon now? White and text here. This number is also white. Here colors are different. So we have to take the color of this icon. So go to the style and then give the color as white. And then to this one also give the color as white. Go to the style and give the color as white. Okay, I hope now you got the clarity. Here, what is the text years in marketing? Is it okay now? Weight 300, size 16, line height 23. Okay, weight is how much? 300, size is 16, line height 23. Weight, size is 16 only. Okay, sorry. Close that. I have to select to this one, right? So go here, number only. So it is the thing which comes under here. Okay, text. 1000 separator is there. Where is the 1000 separator? If you want to enable this one, enable. If you want to disable, you can disable. Dot means space. Separator also you can make it faint. That's it. Okay. And what is the 1000 separator? Okay, make it animation duration 2000 milliseconds. We can increase the size. I mean, if you so now coming fast, right? Okay. If I increase this one to the 2000, this slowly coming now, right? So this one animation duration, make it 1000. Okay. Now, next separator. We can give the separator as well. Now, what is the next thing here? Years in marketing. What is the size? 300. Is it possible here to give the size here? Size. To this section only. Here, actually, there is a small separator here. Okay, to this section. If we give the shadow, then it will look up. This is the title. So, title color here. Yes, go to the title color and roboto size. How much here? What is the size here? Size 16, weight 300. Size is 16 only. Okay, good now. And weight is 300 only. So, give 300. Okay. Next one. What is the case here now? Something it is what enlarged. So we have to make that one. And see here some gap is there, padding is there, right? Some padding is also applied here. Here, right? And on the top and bottom we have some padding, right? So let we select this session first. Go to the advanced setting. Here you will be having the padding, right? Padding will be given. What is the padding means? The gap between the inner session things are coming under the padding. Okay. Okay. You unselect this one. Give the padding to the top one. Top and bottom. Top and bottom padding is how much? 45. Top and padding bottom. And once again, we need like this session 6. Okay. So every time in order to give the padding every side, right side 6 column. So if I give this one, make it duplicate 6 times, what happens? All these are compressed, right? So we have to give some padding there also, right? So for that one, what we have to give? Right padding. Right also we have to give the margin, we have to give. Right margin and the left margin. So only right margin, okay? Right margin is how much? 6 I am giving the right margin. 7, okay. So to the margin right, to the right I have given us what? How much? 7. Now what I will do? I will make this duplicate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now duplicated. All these remaining things I will now delete. Extra things are there, I can delete it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Delete. Is it looking right now good? Now we have to give the, you have to change the colors and change the icons, and then we have to also change the numbers. Okay. So icon. Go to the icon section now. What is icon here? Icon. Go to the icon library. Okay. So that is graph marketing like that. So filter by name here. Graph or what a curve. What it will be? No. Marketing icon. Actually like this. It is a model. Okay. Under this category, do we have something? We can search for this. So we have to come to the icon library. Every icon is available here, friends. Number of icons are there. Okay. See here up to here, all these are the icons. Okay, all these are the icons you have. And rather than this, if you want to upload something, you can upload. Okay. Okay. If you want to upload something, then also you can upload. So you can download from the internet and then you can also upload. So as of now, what I will do, if I'm not finding this icon, what I will do, first I will close this one, and then better to make this icon. We are not getting the icon here. Okay. If I make it save as inner page about modern SEO, complete session will come, I hope. How it is going to be changed, how it is getting to be opened here. Total page is going to be opened maybe. Oh, this is HTML, so no needed. Image. So anyhow, friends, like this icon, analytics. Okay, analytics. Okay, go there, analytics, analytics. You are not getting the analytics icon there. Search for that one. If it is available, okay, then you can choose the analytics icon. You can download the analytics icon from the internet, from the Google Images, and then you can upload. Wait, we have to check whether we have the icon or not. Where we have no icon, analytics icon not appearing here. Like that, we need to check, friends, analytical icon. All the kinds of icons are available here. If we do not find the icon, simply what we have to go, search images with Google. One thing, what we have to do, come up here. Have you seen here? Find the image source it is asking. See what I have to do here. See, just read the icon. No, 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 no. Come up here. Search, open, no, go to the search images with Google and select the icon. Okay, sorry, sorry. We have to take these icon, right? Search images with icon, right? Icon types are coming up here. You can take it. Good. It is looking good, right? Save image. What happens if you take icon library, upload SVG. So go to SVG, enable, upload images, go there, and website images, custom images, all files we need to select. Then only it will become appearing. So images. This is the image, right? See whether, sorry, you are not allowed to upload this file. Maximum file is 20 MB only. So because that means it is very bigger than the 20 MB. So anyhow, friends, as of now, we will select the icon library. From the icon library, we will select randomly one analytical report model icon. Previously, we have graph like that, right? Analytic, no. So graph, chart like this. Okay. Chart bar. These are the analytics only. Okay. This one chart. Okay. Next one. What is the next one here? 143. So go there. 143 means here 1 to 143. 143. Automatically that will become. And what is the text here? Analytic reports. Analytic reports. Analytic reports. Good. Next one. Mail icon. Email campaigns. Mail icon. Mail. Where is the mail? Simply select mail. Here mail is there. Or email. Email. If you do not find, search it as message. Mm, Message, mail, email, email, message, email, icon, my library. In my library, we have added any icon there. What we call a mail, Gmail. Okay, Gmail. Actually, this version is not showing icons, more icons. In some cases, we have good, better icons. Here, this is okay, okay. Envelope. Envelope. We call it as an envelope. Okay, envelope. Now, number. What is the number here? 76 email campaign. 76, 76, and here email campaigns we need to, 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. Email campaign. Email campaign. Next one. This is what arrow. No, we call it as a which is used in the Navy. Mm. Um, we call it as a what we call friends that one arc or we use in the Navy, right? Friends, we forgot the name. Ship. Someone know? Tell me. Arrow, arrow. Okay. Yeah, this one like this. We call it as what we call as friends. What we call it? I'm not getting idea. I just forgot it. Anyone have an idea? You can paste it over there. Let me. Um, I hope I was disabled your chat. Okay, anyhow. So randomly I will take something friends arrow. Then we can. Next one, yes in marketing. What is the yes in marketing? SEO campaign. SEO campaign. 96 SEO campaign. 96 SEO campaign. Next one, what is the text? Here, one person is there, one person image, icon of the person, and then 16 team members. Person, man, male. Icons are not available, exact icons are. Okay, icon library is there, friends. Okay, I will tell you how to go there. Icon library, Elementor. Here also you will find the icons, friends. Okay, if you do not find the icons, you can browse over there. See, these are the icons, right? What are the icons we need? Like this person icon we need, right? And load more also is option is also there. From there you can load more. Here also one more load more is there. Like that every icon is there. Okay. So initially we need a person icon. As of now we need a person icon, right? One person. Okay. Download this one person. Okay. And then analytics also one, right? You come up there and upload here. There is the icon. Somewhere it is. Okay, whenever you okay, it is person icon is saved in the SVG file. Where it is located, if you want to know, go to the library. Where it is here. This is the model friend. Okay, so in order to make it SVG, open with other app. It is a different kind of format. That is, it is showing like that. Okay, so SVG. In order to open the SVG file, better we will open one thing. Okay, in so much pretty good, but okay. Go to the Elementor, add new, browse it will say, click here. Like that you can add, okay. Website images, select all. If you find it, okay. Cursor, open, let me open how does it will look. Only zipped folders are allowed. That means first we need to make the zipped folder and then we need to add it, okay. So as of now, what we will do, person image is not looking very common thing, very easy thing. Somewhere it will be available. Okay, user. This much. This is a one icon. This is the icon we are touching here. Next one. 16 team members. Next one. Again, what we have? This one. Star 41 first position. Okay. Hmm. Now update. And now what is the one thing? One thing is required. What is that one? Tell me. Can anybody tell me what is that one? Colors we need to give. Colors. Color picker. This is white. Wherever the cursor is there, the plus cursor, we need to keep that one. It will copy the code. Copy this one and then paste it over there. Here, this is the right. So this is the no, no, this background color we need to give. Go to style. This is the color. So leave the hash over there. Next, what is the next? This one. This one background color. Go to style. Paste it. And then fourth one is common. No need to change. And fifth one is also no need to change. This one is also no need to change. Change, we need to change. These color we need to give here, right? What is the color here we have? And next this color. What is the color we have here? This color. Copy this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one. Copy and paste it over there. Go to style, you may see the color option there. Paste it there. Okay. Now it is over, right? Is it looking exactly? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exactly it is looking. Now what we have to do? We will update this one first initially. We will update this one. Update. And we'll see how does it look. Just go to the home. Visit the site. How does it will look? It will, you can see here. This is the home page, right? And this is the about us page. Have you seen all the timers have already been applied here now? What is the next step? We have here a divider is there, shape divider is there. One more thing, these testimonials. No, team members, our team members. Team members not shown here. Team members, our team members, not a quotation we have to give. And 1, 2, 3, 4 team members are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 team members are there. Actually, if we have a business and people are working in our business in our team, then we have to give the real photos only. Okay, so we are learning here how to design the website, right? So we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. First, we will take a single column and then we will try to make it copy paste. Okay, so duplicate them. First, we will take a single column website. Yeah, divider is also there. Social icons is also added. Name is also added, and the designation is also added. So, how to make this one? First, we need to take a four column, four column set. Select the four column set. Then, now give some padding. Initially, select that one. Give some padding, margin or top margin, top padding. We need to give. No, margin we need to give margin. Only top margin. Okay. This padding first I will make 0. And then what we have to do? Team member we have to add, right? Take one more text here there. Or we can take add a text there. Team members, our team members. Our our team members. So make it centrally aligned and give the padding to this one also. Margin, we need to give the top margin. Spotify. And now we have to decrease this margin. Okay, 35. Let me keep 35. Next, what we have to do? We have a image and then social icon. Image first, take an image and then icon, social icon. Go to add social icon. Social, social type of social. Here you will get the social icon. Okay, just keep it there. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram will come. What is the image here we have? So this is the image, right? Save image as. Or if you have image, you can give the images. So these kind of images are called as avatars. Okay, these kind of images are called the avatar. Avatar. Okay, friends. Now we have to apply the images. One lady image is there. Choose the image. Go to upload file. Select the file. Where is the image? She is the here. This is here. And then yeah, how it is? How it is looking here? Okay, image is applied here. Some gap is there. Okay, social media icons are there, and then what we have here, text is there. Okay, Maria Murphy. Oh, Maria Murphy, centrally aligned, and then we have one more thing, text. One more text, small icon is there. Let's text editor. We can add it. Who is our design manager? Development manager. Development manager. And that is text should be come will be available in the style mode. Okay, development manager. Okay, now how does it look? Okay, is it correct or not? Now we have to give the complete column. This one, borders. So go and select here. Go to the style, border, border radius. What happened? It is not applying here. See one thing. Here we have the border. Okay, border radius we are giving. Make it 0. Border radius we have to apply. So if I keep 30, what happened here? Border radius is not applying here. So it has to work, right? Border radius. Maybe it is going to be applied, but because of the white background, it is not appearing. Maybe I hope. See here, okay. This section has a background. First, we have to give the background. First, okay. First, we need to give the background, and then we will be applying the border radius. Make it sure that okay. So let us apply the margin here. Margin to the right. Okay, only right. So then it should be unselected. Only right side margin we need to give. 9 or 10 or 8. Okay, 8. And then I will update. First, what I will do. So I will make this one completely duplicate. Control Z. Duplicate. 8 things have been now came here. And then I will give the background here. What is the background? Color. Background is color. So what is the color there? This is the color, right? So I will pick the color from here. This is the color. I copy the color and then I will paste it over here. Go to the background normal. Here we need to change the color. Okay. Now here also we have to give the same color. Or see here. If I give the same color here also, then it will become easy. Both things are win. Both things will be will look border color, right? Background. Go to the background type. Use the code here. Both the colors mix up, and we can also move this one to the top. Then both things will be attached. Margin. Top margin here. I have kept here 35, right? If I keep the touch 0 here, what happens? All these things have been now attached, right? So now we have to give the border radius. Let me check what happens here. I am now selecting the border style. Go to the style border. Now we have to give the radius. Border radius 30, 30. Border, border type. Solid. So border radius. Okay. No, none. Okay. These two colors are, overlapping, friends. This is what, this is what other color, right? Cream color like that. Here, cream color. What happened here then? Border type, border border radius. Why the border radius is not appearing that? It is not functioning maybe. Only corner. 25 will be enough. If I select that, solid, what happens? in your friends something border radius is not appearing here, border radius. So like that we have to make it and we have to duplicate it, right? 2, 3, okay, 4. Now we have to remove this one. Okay, and change the icons, etc. Everything. Okay, color shape border. Color more on the top and the bottom also. We are giving the shape divider. Go to style. Wait a second. Okay, friends, like this we have to do. And now we have what we have. The next thing is shape divider. Okay, shape divider. Here we have a shape divider. So what is this extra thing? We have to remove this one. Keep a shape divider here. This here, and then container. Go to the container. You can press here. Go to style. Under the style, you will be having the shape divider. To the top, we have a wave or curve like that, a symmetric curve like that. Okay, as I'm giving the okay, so width, height, I will make the invert now, and I will make the height. When we have given the padding, it is coming like that because of that. Okay, so we can flip and we can invert as well. So first one we will take our symmetric clouds, so drops like that. Everything we can take it. Mountains. What is the height of the mountain? And padding we need to decrease. Top padding. First we have to go to the advanced. Margin we have given, right? You make that one as 0. And then top padding. Yeah. No, no, no. Margin, not margin. We have to give the padding. Okay. Unselect this one. Only padding to the top. Yeah. So now here go to style page divider, shape divider. Instead of mountain, you can now take the asymmetric, curve asymmetric, curve asymmetric, and you can invert. Okay. Or you can give the width like this, height also. Okay, like this. Okay. Now next, what is the next step here, friends? This section. Okay. I hope you can do it. Okay, very simple thing. So you please try to complete this one, and we have already uploaded this one in the previous classes. Okay, conclude this one, and you have to also make contact us page. First one, about us page I have created now. Services page. Okay, what I am going to tell you is, please create the services page according to the design is what I have shown now. So go to the services page. So services page will look like this. Okay, this is the services page. Very simple thing. Okay, just give the padding. Okay, okay. Try to make this one. Uh, and after the completion, I will tell you the advanced settings where we will give the details of how to add the animation. Advanced thing that one. Yeah, adding the animation. Okay, just you try to create this one also. Okay, try to create this one also if possible. I hope in previous sessions I have already explained you how to design the contact us page as well. If you know, you can create this one. Otherwise, I will tell you in tomorrow's class. Okay. Wish you all the best. We are concluding the session now. Today is Friday. Okay. Thank you so much, friends, being connected with me. Have a nice day. Any doubts? Friends, any doubts? Okay, you can chat with me later as well.